look here, I've had days like $197, $83, $65, and I haven't made any money yet. So if I go ahead and make some money today, it's probably going to go ahead and push me over the $100 per day threshold.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, it's choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat.
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of WolvesAcademy.com, the Wolf of Marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $74.89 per day in passive income. So let's get right into it. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, before I actually get into this video and all this good stuff right here, I need you to go ahead, and if you guys want to know my #1 recommendation to make money online, there will be probably the second link in the description. Go ahead and click that link and grab access to what I'm doing to make even more than $74 per day. But not only that, if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the family by literally just hitting that subscribe button if you guys like videos about making money online, and hit that notifications bell so that way every time I drop new heat, you guys can be notified. Now let's get right into it. Step #1 is basically finding a recurring commission affiliate program. Now, what is an affiliate program? An affiliate program is basically when somebody else creates a product, and when they create a product, they're actually going to go ahead and allow you to promote their product as an affiliate. And when a transaction is made from the traffic that you generate, they're going to go ahead and pay you a percentage of the sale. So for example, let's just say every time you refer somebody to Netflix, because Netflix is just amazing, right? Let's just say they were to go ahead and pay out a 50% commission, right? I probably referred Netflix to over 100 people, right? They'd literally be paying me a couple $100 per month in recurring revenue for everybody that I've referred. Or same thing if you guys have referred a movie, right? Let's just say every time you referred a movie and somebody bought a ticket, you got paid a percentage of that sale. Now, that's not what they're doing, but there are companies out there that strategically bring people on board because they understand the power of word-of-mouth advertisement to where they're willing to actually pay you a percentage of each sale. Now, the type of affiliate commission that we're going to want to go ahead and generate is recurring commissions, because that's passive income. That means we only get one sale, and when we get that one sale, it's going to go ahead and generate us commissions as long as that person continues to pay that monthly bill. We're going to go ahead and get paid a commission, right? So we're promoting recurring affiliate programs so that way we can get recurring commissions, which is passive income, money while we sleep. First step that you guys want to do is actually do your research. So, I mean, what I did was I simply just typed in Google, right, recurring commission affiliate programs, and then what I found was 20 plus best recurring affiliate programs. So look, the job is literally already done for you guys on Google. Look it up on Google, and it'll go ahead and show you guys the best ones to go ahead and promote. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and promote one of mine, just to show you guys proof, right? So one of the affiliate programs that I'm currently using right now is called ClickFunnels, which is basically a software that allows you to build websites that generate sales for your company. So if we look here, I've currently made $22,961, so over $23,000. But basically, if we look here, guys, the last 7 days, I made $524.23. No, guys, absolutely not. This is not my biggest income stream, but let's do the math really quick. $524.23. So $523, so $523.23 divided by 7 is $74.74. I said $74.89, but you guys get the point, right? Similar, I must have made money while I was actually making this video. So if we look here, I've had days like $197, $83, $65, and I haven't made any money yet. So if I go ahead and make some money today, it's probably going to go ahead and push me over the $100 per day threshold. Now, I want you guys to look here. MRR means the monthly recurring revenue. That means I'm making $821.20 in passive income. So that's literally like $1,000 a month in passive income that you guys could be making. Now, guys, it's not going to get you rich by any means, but an extra $800 per month, that can definitely change somebody's life. So if you guys want to go ahead and actually promote this affiliate program, all you guys have to do, if we look here, right, is go to endofwebsites.com. So endofwebsites.com. And if you guys go to endofwebsites.com, it's going to go ahead and bring you to this page right here. And then if you guys want to watch this video to kind of get an understanding of what this actually is and what you're going to be promoting as an affiliate, feel free. There's going to be a video that you guys can watch right here. But if you guys just want to go ahead and get started right away, you guys can literally just go ahead and click this blue button right here that says start free 14-day trial. Now, what does that mean? Within the next 14 days, you're going to be able to actually promote this affiliate program absolutely free. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in your first name, your email, and then you guys are going to go ahead and say start building my funnel. But basically, once you guys actually log in here, after you guys create an account by going to endofwebsites.com, once you guys log in, the next step that you guys are going to do is you're going to, at the top right, there's going to be a section when you click where it says owner here, and it's going to go to say affiliates. And then what you're going to go ahead and do, you're already going to have access to the affiliate program. It's going to go ahead and bring you to this page. Then you're going to go ahead and actually log into your affiliate dashboard. And then obviously, if you're a brand new affiliate, you're not going to have any income earned or commission earned. But what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and scroll down, and it's going to go ahead and give you all the affiliate offers that you guys can promote. Now, what I would recommend is simply going to down here, right, and going to the ClickFunnels Affiliate Center. And then once you guys go to the ClickFunnels Affiliate Center, if you guys want to promote the product that actually is going to go ahead and give you guys recurring commissions, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to promote this link right here, free 14-day trial. All right, so we found our affiliate program, right? Or you should have, if you guys done your research, or if you guys want to promote the one that I'm currently promoting, endofwebsites.com, or the link in the description. Once we grab access to our affiliate program, the next step, step number 2, is identify your customer avatar. Now, what is a customer avatar? A customer avatar is your ideal client or customer. So who are they, right? We need to go ahead and identify who they actually are. Now, basically with this specific product, now guys, if you guys are doing other products, then you guys can use the same methods that I'm going to be teaching you guys. But with this specific product, it's a software that helps people generate leads and sales and automate their sales process with websites, right? So not websites, they're called sales funnels, but just to keep this easy with websites, right? Automated websites. So instead of people paying, instead of people using websites, this is like an alternative that's going to go ahead and help them increase their business. So most likely, what are the type of people who have websites, right? Business owners. So when it comes to business owners, that's who I'm looking for. I'm looking to find business owners who have websites, and I'm going to go and switch them off of websites with my actual product, right? So that is my actual target audience. That's who they are. Now, where are they, right? Now, where are business owners doing? Where are they? Where are they always searching? So they're usually on social media like YouTube, right? Searching for different solutions or that different edge to increase their business, to generate more leads, so on and so forth. So YouTube, they're reading blog articles. They're on maybe like Facebook, Instagram, and all these different places trying to find content or that edge that's going to go ahead and allow them to take their business to the next level. So, right, who are they? Where are they? We identified who they are. We know where they are now. Now it's time to actually get in front of them. And the way that we're going to go ahead and get in front of them is step number 3, create content that solves their problem, right? So the type of content that I would recommend is creating blogs, creating YouTube videos, or creating both, right? So for this example, this specific product, my ideal customer is a business owner. And where are they, right? They're trying to solve problems by looking at how-to blogs and how-to YouTube videos, right? So if I go to YouTube and I type in Eric Ellis Sales Funnels, if you guys look here, basically, this is me creating content around my target audience, finding my customer avatar, getting in front of my target audience, and helping them solve a problem. So the problem that I'm helping them solve is, okay, they don't know how to build a sales funnel. Let me go ahead and help them build a sales funnel. So if we look here, how to create a 6-figure sales funnel for affiliate marketing, how to create a sales funnel for affiliate marketing, how to create a sales funnel for ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, the reason why you always hear affiliate marketing in there is because my channel is built around teaching people how to make money online, and majority of it is affiliate marketing. So in order to get the maximum reach, instead of just how to create a sales funnel, I said how to create a sales funnel for affiliate marketing. But a more broader approach, if you guys look here, super easy sales funnel creation, right? That one had 14,000 views. Now, my top 2 videos is a ClickFunnels review, and my second one is just how to create a sales funnel, right? So the 2 problems that I'm solving in this specific, these 2 videos is, number 1 is a review. So I'm solving a problem because people who don't know about the actual product, right, they get to review the product before they decide to make a purchase. Guess who they're gonna go to make a purchase with? Me. Number 2 is, okay, these people don't know how to actually build a sales funnel, right? So I'm teaching them how to build a sales funnel. But guess what they need to actually build a sales funnel? They need the software. Who are they gonna go and buy the software from? Me. So if you guys notice here, I'm solving a problem with the content that I am creating, right? So basically you guys could do create a blog, create a YouTube video, or even do both. And then step number 4 is recommend your affiliate product. So you just did the work, right? You just gave value to this person. You just helped them out. Now it's time for them to buy that actual product through your affiliate link. So the next thing that you guys are gonna do, if you guys take a look here at the bottom of my video, a super easy sales funnel creation, there is a link at the bottom. And at the bottom, that link is my affiliate link. So literally after my video, after I'm done providing value, what I do is I say, hey, look, I just showed you how to create a sales funnel, but you're gonna need the software. So boom, recommend my affiliate link. Once they make a purchase, they get it, they purchase it one time, I'm gonna go ahead and get paid passive income. Every time they pay, every single month for this software, I'm gonna go ahead and get paid a commission. So last but not least, what we're gonna wanna do is step number 5, collect your commissions and reinvest, right? So scale by reinvesting into paid advertising. Now, if you guys wanna show an example of paid advertisement or paid advertising, if you guys look here, if I go to Google and type in how to create a sales funnel, literally the only person advertising under this keyword is Udemy. So imagine if I was to go ahead and create a blog post showing them this same exact video, how to create a sales funnel. So when people go ahead and type this in, I'm gonna pay to get to the top. They're gonna click my blog, they're gonna watch my video, and I'm gonna have a strong call to action and literally have like a link at the bottom of my blog. And then I'm gonna start scaling. So as people are searching for this keyword, I'm gonna be putting my content by doing paid advertising in front of them and getting affiliate commissions. So you're just gonna go ahead and continue to scale, get to $500 per month, $1,000 per month, $2,000 per month, $5,000 per month, $10,000 per month, and so on. That is how you make $78 per day and beyond per day with affiliate commissions and passive income. Now guys, look, I'm currently here in my villa in, I was about to say Medellin, Colombia, but I'm in Bali, Indonesia. For those of you who have been following me for a while, you guys know I travel the world. And this is my luxury villa. Costs over $4,000 a month to live here. And that's fairly cheap for the type of accommodations that we have here. If this was in like California or something, it'd be like $10,000 per month. But I'm saying this not to impress you guys, but basically to show you guys, if you guys implement this skill set, right, this can actually change your life. This can change your income. But the only way this is going to work is if you consistently do this. So there's gonna be 2 types of people who watch this video. Number 1, or actually 3 types of people. Number 1, the type of person who is just watching this for entertainment because they like my beautiful face. Great, thank you for your attention, I appreciate that. Number 2, the person who decides to actually give it a go and they make one video or they create one piece of content or they create one blog post and they're like, what the fuck, I didn't get rich. Damn it, this shit doesn't work, okay? That's another person, right? And those aren't the type of people who are going to be successful. Guys, consistency compounds. And what I mean by that is, guys, if you notice, literally with ClickFunnels alone, I've made over 10 videos, right? And only a couple of them popped off. And how long did it take for them to pop off? 2 years to gain 30,000 views, right, on 2 of my videos. So at the end of the day, you guys can do this for multiple affiliate products, but this takes time. This isn't get rich quick. But are you willing to invest a year of your time to earn an income that's going to go in and allow you to walk away from your 9-to-5 or your job? If you're not willing to put in the work, then you don't deserve to live your dream lifestyle. Now, if you're willing to do whatever it takes and you're willing to pump out a video per day or a video every 3 days or every other day or maybe once per week, but consistently do that, this method will work for you, whether it's a blog post or a video. But guys, people consume video more often than blog posts nowadays. So with that being said, take action, get behind the camera, create a blog post, whatever, create a blog and get to freaking work. If you guys again want to go ahead and get access to my specific affiliate link, not my affiliate link, but it is my affiliate link. If you guys want to go ahead and get access to the affiliate program that I'm promoting right now to earn recurring commissions, go to endofwebsites.com or click the first link in the description. If you guys want to know my #1 recommendation to make money online, click the second link in the description. And if you guys haven't already, if you guys want to learn how to build your dream lifestyle by learning how to make money online, I create daily content teaching people how to make money online. Go ahead and click the subscribers button, hit the notifications bell to join the family. And if you guys want to go ahead and get access to my day-to-day to where you guys see me walking around the villa, or I'm about to go to Australia or London, not sure yet, to travel. If you guys want to see me traveling the world and kind of keep up with my day-to-day life and my stories and stuff, go to Instagram and follow me at Instagram at Eric Ellis Jr. But with that being said, guys, consistency compounds. Take action, put in the work, and enjoy the fruits of your labor, and thank me later. With that being said, your boy is done. I'm out. As always, your boy, the Wolf of Marketing, Eric Ellis Jr., checking out.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, it's choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat.